Hi, it's Rick. I hope you well. Today we will change the SD card of the Maschine Plus to increase the space on your drive and to see if we put a faster card, if your workflow is better. You actually got this SD card when you buy the Maschine Plus. As you can see, it's 64 gigabytes. The card is V30 U3 and class 10. We will put on it exactly the same, but I think that one is faster because we have 170 megabytes per second and it's quite fast. You can see on the Native Instruments website the characteristics of the card. So as I told you, UHS1, U3, Native 1, Class 10, V30, A1. They tell that you can put on it UHS2, but it's quite expensive. I already not tested because it's 90 euros for 128 gigabytes. Here is the SD card on my computer. On it you got two folders. One is named download. You have that on it. I don't know what it is. I think it's some files that you download of your expansions, and on that folder you got all your expansions, and you have this one called user content, and on this particular folder you can put your samples. As you can see that I named my samples pack because I've got the Splice account and it's named like this, and I've put on it 55 gigabytes of samples. There is a lot of folders, and inside each folder it's folder and so on, and it takes a bit of time, but I copy all the samples and let's check it. Okay, so it's scanning and it begins to add all the expansions that I bought. If you like my videos, so please leave it a thumbs up and subscribe. It's still adding all my expansions. Okay, that's over. As you can see, it's fast. There is no lag. And here is my samples, so my loops. As you can hear, there is no lag. In my experience with the original card, sometimes it have a bit of lag when I scan all the samples, especially when the sample is the loop is quite long. It's a bit slow, but you can see it's totally flawless, and all my one shots. flawless. Cool. So I double, so you can see how it fast, when it loads fast. And here it is for tonight. For me, that's great. You can change your cards by something bigger, but pay attention to get a fast card. I think minimum 170 megabytes per second. It's the minimum for a new card. It's not expensive. 128 megabytes costs less than 30 euros or $30. So that's it for tonight. I just want one thing. Take care to rename the cards as the first one, Maschine with the plus, and that's it. So as I told you, leave me a thumbs up and subscribe, share if you want, and if you got some questions, leave it on the description. I read all the comments and try to ask your questions. So bye, see you next time.